Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Call the expert personal injury attorney.
Serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Not 40% like Pittsburgh. Undoubtedly, everything is a test of the emergency alert system. Discover cashback match. May look professional and legitimate, but the vast majority of sites selling prescription drugs are doing so illegally. Have you seen websites that don't require a prescription?
The Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Plan your trip at inindiana.com/summer.
Of the emergency alert system. The Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
The KDKA AccuWeather forecast is brought to you by JP.
Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm in a dark ass car right now. I have a little flashlight just so you can see my face a little bit. And I am here along with...
I'm just gonna be the only one saying my name because Jared doesn't want to, which is fine.
And then also RCT3165, who is driving right now. And yeah, so basically another collab done here. We were at Waldemere all day today, last night. We hung out, and this morning we got the Sunday morning stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.